order for you to access Accelerated Reader Bookshelf, you want to make sure that you're at the elementary school. Next thing you're going to do is go to your grade level page. For this, we're going to go to 5th grade. Then find the link that says Accelerated Reader Star Reading Testing. And then you want to make sure that you log in as a student. This is the same way that you log in to Accelerated Reader. I'm going to log in as a student. And this takes you to the page, and I'm going to click on Accelerated Reader. I'm going to choose my teacher, click Done. And the area that we're going to work with today is right up here, this bookshelf. We'll also look here at the reading section. So bookshelf and reading. If you just want to find a book, you can type any title of a book in here and click on search. So let's just say I want to find a book like Dork Diaries. And it only brought up one of the Dork Diaries books, so I probably did something wrong. I'm going to go back in. Same thing happens again. I'm going to escape from that because I don't know why it's doing that, but that's not what I'm looking for. How about Diary of a Wimpy? There we go. Now you can see by just typing in Diary of a Wimpy, you can see all of the different books. You can see how many points, the reading level, the author, and you can see which book number it is. So here's number 1, number 12, number 2, 3, 4. Oh, do you notice something there? If you take a look right here, what do you see that's different between this book and this book? You're right. What you see is that this says quiz taken. Whenever you see that yellow RP quiz taken, that's going to tell you that you have already taken a quiz over that book. That means that if you click on it to try to take the quiz, watch what happens. It only gives you the choice for a vocabulary practice quiz, and that's not going to help you for your AR points. You can take a vocabulary practice quiz anytime you want, but it won't help you with accelerated reader points. It just helps you with your knowledge. Of course, that's not a bad thing. Learning is always good. I'm going to look in here next, and I'm going to click on the bookshelf. When I do that, I can see the most recent books that I've read. I can see that I've actually read 89 books from 3rd grade, 4th grade, and 5th grade. The most recent book scored 80% in January. Watch as I scroll down. 3 books in November, October. By the way, if you haven't had a chance to read Wonder yet, well, read that book before you go watch the movie. Or if you've already seen the movie, read the book, do a comparison. These are all the different books, all the different scores. Lots of fun, lots of information that you can get and access the data that you have for yourself to help you manage your own account and information about Accelerated Reader right there on your bookshelf.